The biggest fear for homeowners today is the terrifying possibility of selling their house and having nowhere to go because the inventory is so low. But there is a specific financial tool called a bridge loan that allows you to buy your new dream home before you even list your current one for sale. A bridge loan is essentially a short-term mortgage that uses the equity in your existing property to fund the down payment on your next move, giving you the power to make a non-contingent offer, which is far more attractive to sellers in a competitive market. Instead of rushing to sell your home at a discount or moving into a temporary rental while you search for a new place, you can take your time to stage and market your old house for the highest possible price after you have already moved out. While these loans do come with slightly higher interest rates and fees because of their short duration, the convenience and the ability to win a bidding war on the perfect property often far outweigh the costs. If you are sitting on a ton of equity but feel stuck in your current house, visit CheckEmirates.com and let us see if a bridge loan can be the key that unlocks your next chapter.